Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to easily get Unlinked to your Fire Stick as well as the best codes which you can use in 2024. The whole process is super easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. So now without any further ado, let me show you how to get Unlinked to your device. First of all, you'll have to get an app called Downloader. You can get it for free from the official Amazon App Store or from Google Play Store depending on what device you are using. So just go to search on your device and start typing Downloader in the search bar. As you can see, Downloader has already popped out for me, so we click on Downloader and that's the app which you need to get to your device. However, after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. And to set up Downloader, we'll go to Settings, so click on that button with the gear icon. Then we scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Let's open it, and here we have to enable developer options for your device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new ones, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, do not worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times and do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see, now the button for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. In your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared right here. So open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps and turn that option on for the loader. So what it does, it's going to allow us to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only from official Amazon App Store. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now let's go back to the list of apps on your device. Here it is, open it, and there is the downloader, which will guide to your device. However, before actually using the downloader, there's one more thing which I really recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN, because they're super fast, they got a great application for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device that you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing. In the VPN app, you just select any location. Let's say I will connect to Cyprus, and from the moment we connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online. And that's extremely important if you wish to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you'd like to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. So go get those 3 months for free and then use Downloader safely. And if you are watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone and enter topvpnoffer.com to your browser. This way you can also get this amazing offer. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on your screen right now, with the camera of your phone. That's another way how you can get this amazing offer from NordVPN. Then let's finally open Downloader. On the left side menu, make sure to click on Home, that's important, and then here you see such a search bar, which we'll need to use to enter a link, which is going to be unlinked.link. So let's enter it. So once again, the exact link you have to enter is unlinked.link. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see on your screen, and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, the link is not going to work. Then click on Go, and now a website of Unlinked should open for us. And here it is. Now just scroll down a bit until you see that button, Download APK Android. It does not matter if we are using a Fire Stick, Android TV, Chromecast, that's the version which we need to download to our device, because all of these devices are based on Android. So we click on Download APK, and now the download is going to start for us. Click on Install right here. And after that, after the app has been installed to our device, do not click on Open yet, instead press on Done, then click on Delete and delete once again. This way we are erasing the unnecessary installation files from our Fire Stick to get more space on our device. Then what we have to do is go to Settings once again, go to My Fire TV, Then to developer options, install unknown apps once again and turn that option for unlinked as well. It's a must if we want to use it to download other applications to our Fire Stick. Now we can finally go to the list of applications on our device. Here it is, let's open it. Don't forget to keep your VPN connected, and once again get the 3 months of NordVPN for free if you use my link in the pinned comment below the video, or just go to topvpnoffer.com. Then scroll down and here you'll find Unlinked application. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, Unlinked app is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and it's going to be really easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Then let's finally open Unlinked. Now what we have to do here is just click on add a new library, and there we'll need to enter a code for us. So the first code is going to be 67664537. So once again, it's 67664537, then we click on next, and in a couple of seconds the library is going to open for us. You can see that my screen is blurry right now. I had to blur it out because YouTube does not allow us to show you the exact applications which are available in this library. But in your case, of course, the screen is not going to be blurry. In this library you'll find quite a lot of applications. There's a lot of movie apps, TV shows, live TV players, live TV applications, utility apps, web browsers, alternative app stores, some even adult applications, ad blockers, sports apps, and so on. So basically a lot of really useful applications which you are definitely going to like. So that was the first code of the day, and let me show you a couple more codes which you can also use on your Fire Stick. So click on the back button on your remote, go back and then click on add a new library, and we'll add the second code of the day. The code is going to be EB2E4A4C. So once again, the code is EB2E4A4C. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes. Then we click on next. So once again, I had to blur out my screen, but do not worry, in your case, of course, it's not going to be blurry. And let's see what we can find here. So first of all, you'll find some movie apps, live TV applications, alternative app stores, more movie apps, web browsers, utility applications, VPNs, some more alternative app stores, more live TV players, movie apps, again different utility apps, so quite a lot of useful stuff which you can use on your device. Some adult apps, more movie apps, more live TV apps, so a lot of great stuff. And that was our second code of the day. And now let me show you the last code which you can also use on your device. Let's go back and click on add a new library. This code is going to be really simple. It's called Super Apps, so just enter Super Apps in the search bar. Let's do it. Yep, Super Apps, just enter it like that and click on next. And now we have to enter a PIN code, which is also really easy. It's 911911. So simple code, click on next. And now the library should open for us. Yep, here it is. Also quite a decent library. We have alternative app stores, movie apps, live TV apps, utility applications, some adult applications, more movie apps, live TV players, and stuff like that. Also some ad blockers, virus total, cartoon applications, and so on. So that was the first code of the day. Don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay out of trouble. And once again, you can use my promo link in the pinned comment below the video, or just go to topvpnoffer.com to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. That's it for today, and see you next time. Bye bye.